Hello, MITDC English and Yanni Joso like original Dini, Yahweh Payment and Daro. Comida don't know you, English, but no call it. So, John Yale Pipare. Comida don't know you, English, Pure the Tinga Tima, Sani, Tempedoma Pipada. One about the Yajo Parapana. That does a young general education. You subscribe and subscribe and look people down to water. The education in any video, tempting in the lady, Jordan and Fuchimans, like and share living up people down to water. PC. P. She got passing C. Computer people. Computer, she got commonly operated machine, particularly used in technical and educational research field. Mouse. Answer manually, also operated user use S selection is equipment, manually operated user selection equipment. AI artificial intelligence. CPU central processing unit. ALU arithmetic logic unit. CU control unit. RAM random access memory. SRAM static random access memory. DRAM dynamic random access memory. RAM read-only memory. PRAM programmable read-only memory. EPRAM erasable programmable RAM. EEPRAM electrically erasable PRAM. HDD hard disk drive. FDD floppy disk drive. I/O input and output. CD compact disc. DVD digital video disc. LED light embedded diode. USB universal serial bus. Email electronic mail. Gmail Google Mail. SIM SIM subscriber identity module. OTP one-time password. OTG on the go. IP internet protocol. ISP internet service provider. www World Wide Web. URL uniform resource locator. HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. HTML hypertext markup language. TCP transmission control protocol. POP post office protocol. IMAP internet mail access protocol. SMTP symbol mail transfer protocol. FTP file transfer protocol. BIOS basic input output system. OS operating system. Local area network alien LAN. MAN metropolitan area network. WN1 wide area network. PN personal area network. KB kilobyte. MB megabyte. GB gigabyte. TB terabyte. GUI graphical user interface. CUI character user interface. H/W hardware. S/W software. NIC N/C network interface card. NIC network interface card. MITDC millions of instructions per second. Virus vital information resource user endorsed. 3G third generation. 4G fourth generation. CDMA code division multiple access. GSM global system for mobile communication. iOS iPhone operating system. UPS and interruptible power supply. GPS global positioning system. SSD solid state drive. Google global organization of oriented group language of Yahoo 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 yet another hierarchical officials Oracle. Windows wide interactive network deployment for office work solution. Windows. Linux. Lovable intellect, not using XP. Unix. Uniplex information computing system. Unix. Chrome. Command headquarters for recon operation and motorized espionage. Commando headquarters for recon operations and motorized espionage. PDF portable document format. PPT PowerPoint presentation. JPG joint photography group. PNG portable network graphics. Browser. Balancing the rise of web servers equally and responsibility. Internet. Interconnected network. International network. ARPANET. Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Desktop Distributed Enterprises. Desktop Distributed Enterprises Pocket Total Optimized Power. Laptop Lightweight Analytical Platform Total Optimized Power. Wi-Fi Wireless Fidelity. Wi-Fi Wireless Fidelity. SMS Short Message Service. PAN Permanent Account Number. APN Access Point Number. Point Name. ESN Equipment Serial Number. IMEI International Mobile Equipment Identity. VPN Virtual Private Network. HDMI High Definition Multimedia Interface. VGA Video Graphics Array. WLAN Wireless Local Area Network. GIF Graphics Interchange Format. ASP Address Server Pages. API Application Program Me Interface API. ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ATM Automated Teller Machine. COBOL COBOL Common Business Oriented Language. Domain Name System Server. DNS E of F End of File. EOL End of Line. KB VS KB. KB Kilobyte. KB Kilobit. Bit Binary Digit. Bit BID Bigger Binary Digit. Memory Management Unit. MAC Media Access Control. ANSI American National Standards Institute. DOC Document. TXT Text. ZIB ZigZag Inline Package. EXE Executable. PIN PIN Personal Identification Number. HD High Definition. Mbps Megabytes per second. Mbps Megabyte per second. Megabyte per second. Mbps. NTFS New Technology File System. DOS Disk Operating System. UDP Endo Datagram. User Datagram Protocol. UDP. PPP Point-to-Point Protocol. CMD Command. APK Android Application Package. APK Anti-Information Technology. HUL structured query language DBMS database management system CDRM control EMI equated monthly installment IDE integrated deployment environment modern modulator demodulator modem modulator demodulator OMR optical mark recognition DDH direct to home WPA Wi-Fi protected access TV television MCQ multiple choice question FAQ frequently asked question CNG compressed natural gas EVM electronic voting machine DDH direct to home FIR process information report LPG liquefied petroleum gas LPG liquefied petroleum gas LPG NASA National Aeronautics and Space Administration UNO United Nations Organization UNO WHO World Health Organizations WTO World Trade Organization GDP Gross Domestic Product KYC Know Your Customer NGO Non-Governmental Organization CEO Chief Executive Officer IBM International Business Chain Asia Human Resources QR Code Quick Response Code CMD Comment Bound CBC Card Verification Code DOS Disk Operating System Thanks for watching ဒီနေ့တော့ဒီလောက်ပါပဲဒီသင်ခန်းစာတွေကအကျိုးတစ်စုံတစ်ခုရှိခဲ့မယ်ဆိုရင်လည်း like and share လေးဖြင့်အားပေးဖို့တောင်းဆိုပါတယ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ရဲ့ MITDC English channel မှာအင်္ဂလိပ်စာနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အသုံးအနှုန်းတွေအခေါ်အဝေါ်လေးတွေကိုတင်ပေးတော့မှာမလို့ subscribe မလုပ်ရသေးရင် subscribe လေးလုပ်ပြီးတော့အားပေးနိုင်ပါတယ်အားလုံးပဲကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်မင်္ဂလာရှိသောနေ့လေးဖြစ်ပါစေ